What up, what up, what up? Hope you guys are having a good day, good afternoon, good morning. Just got a quick question for you guys. On this 2000 Jeep XJ, obviously they're infamous for their suspension in the front. The whole Y-link is pretty much trash, and the steering, you always have this play, which can be very, very annoying. By the way, sorry for the background noise. If you guys hear the wind, it's a little windy right now. But just wondering if anybody out there has the same issue or has had the same issue, and if so, what have you guys done to resolve that issue? So on the Jeep, I could be on the highway driving, let's say anywhere between 55 and like 70 miles an hour, and if I'm driving on if I'm trying to drive on a straight line, if the steering wheel is 12 to 6 right now, if it's dead on 12 to 6, I get this weird vibration sound coming from, which I believe is the I forgot what you would call it, like the steering shaft or whatever that goes into steering unit itself. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me see. But if you could hear that, when I'm on the highway, I get that, but way, way louder, and you can feel it. I don't know if this has some type of like bushing. I think it does in the middle, if you can see it. Or like whatever you want to call it, something in there. I don't know if this needs to be replaced or if the whole unit needs to be replaced. I don't know if again, anybody out there has had the same issue, but it's annoying, you know, trying to keep the steering wheel straight, and that's just vibrating and making, you know, crazy sounds. I tend to, like, instead of keeping the steering wheel straight, I tend to like move the wheel either left or to the right, and the sound and vibration goes away. It only comes back if I keep the steering wheel straight, driving down the road at, again, high speeds. Local driving, 20 miles an hour, 30, 40 miles an hour is no problem. It's only on the highway. So I don't know if it's this whole unit, which I think it is. It's definitely a lot of play there. I don't know if that's normal or what could I do to fix it. I might just buy the whole thing brand new and just install it. But again, just wondering if anybody out there has had the same issue. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and shoot me a message if you want. Thank you guys.